Hello. This is how you're going to pay your quarterly estimated tax payments on the IRS website. There's two ways. I'm going to show you the first way that makes it a little easier because you can create an account with the IRS. So you would go here, irs.gov. On the front page, you can go create account. And here you would select to create an individual account. And it needs to verify your identity. So what the IRS does is they verify your identity through id.me. So you need to have that set up first. And once you have that set up, it logs you right in. So I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to sign in real quick and show you what's on the other side. Here it is. I'm in. So as you can see, this is the front page of your account. And if you just want to make a payment, you would go to payments, payment options, and make a payment. You don't have to do any identification verification. It already knows that it's me, and it'll apply my payment to my account. And you just go through selecting the bank account. The payment type will be estimated tax, and you're going to choose 2026. You're going to enter your payment amount. I'm just going to put $2,000 for now. Let's put the payment date, today's date, and next. Payment details. You're going to enter in your bank information. I don't have any bank accounts saved in here. You'll enter your checking. You'll have them send you an email confirmation, and you'll go through the next steps. What I like about this option is that you can go in here and see your payment activity and see your history. So this is one way to make an estimated tax payment. Now I'm going to show you the other way. The other way would be to log out of here. And we're going to go right back to the irs.gov website. Let's go irs.gov. Okay. So if you don't want to create an account, that's okay. You can go here, pay, direct pay. Now you're going to choose personal tax payments. You're not going to choose business tax payments, even if you have an S Corp or an LLC. The only reason you would select this is if you have a C corporation, because C Corps are totally separate business entities and they pay their own tax rates. So you would select this only for C Corps. If you have an LLC, an S Corp, a sole proprietorship, you're going to select individual tax. Now here, you make a payment. And this is step one. You're going to select 1040, estimated tax, and you're going to select this 2026 for every quarter. This is the same setup for quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, quarter four, all the estimated tax payments for this year. And I'm pretty sure that this will be the same for next year, 2027. So whenever you're watching this video, it will be the same unless like huge tax changes happen, and then I'll let you know. But for now, it's always going to be estimated tax and put the year that you're paying. So we're going to do 2026. We're going to continue. And here is where you're going to have to verify your identity. Now they want you to select a tax year and put in your information, like your filing status, your name, your social security, your date of birth, so that they apply your payment to your account. So I'm going to pause the video again and enter my info and show you what is on step 3. Here we are, step 3. This is where you're going to put your payment information. Let's say it's $2,000. You're going to select the date. You're going to put your bank info, checking or savings, and then put here that you do want to get an email confirmation. It's always good to get double backup. So I'm going to pause the video again, enter my info to take you to step 4. All right, it pops up this little disclosure authorization, so you're going to agree. And now this is the summary page. You're just going to review everything. It's the 1040, estimated tax, 2026, your payment amount, your payment date, your bank info, and your email. And that's it. Then you just put your first name, your last name, your social security number as your digital signature. You click this little box and you submit. Then I'm not going to submit it because I don't want to make this payment. But then the final step is just your confirmation, and you're just going to print that also to your records. You're going to get an email confirmation. You're going to print that confirmation. And there you go. You have just made your quarterly estimated tax payment. Save this information. Remember to use it for your tax return next year to get credit for all these payments. And you're all set. Hopefully this saves you, headache. And if let's say you pay too much, let's say you overestimate and you pay a little too much, that's okay. You'll just get you'll get it back as a refund. Or you can apply it to next year's tax. It's never ending, this tax game. But all right, hopefully this was straightforward enough, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.